Now you can also grow saffron at home using the Saffroponic kit. Look at the beautiful flowers of saffron that we obtain by growing saffron bulbs in our Saffroponic kit. This is the harvest of saffron, pure and fresh. We bought saffron bulbs from Jammu and placed them in our controlled environment, which was precisely controlled to suit for saffron growing. After 4 to 6 weeks, we see the sprouts. And after about 8 to 10 weeks, we see the first bud. And then flowers. And more flowers. And here we have my mother harvesting pure saffron from a saffron flower that we grew at home using the Saffroponic kit. To order Saffroponic kit, do contact us.